Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander SE plug-in hybrid. This four-wheel drive SUV is powered by a gas-electric 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 1-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 9 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, as well as this rubber cargo mat. You have your cloth floor mats, as well as your charger. Access to 12-volt power, 2 cup holders, as well as additional storage throughout. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express down and up on the driver's window. The steering wheel has your hands-free audio, cruise control, as well as paddle shifters. This vehicle currently has 58,547 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple Carplay and Android Auto ready to go. Dual zone automatic climate controls. Your blind spot monitor and heated steering wheel. Your gear select, as well as your driving charge settings. 4-wheel drive settings, EV, and heated front seats. This vehicle also has leather seats, and the front 2 are power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have a great view of the sun moonroof. You also have seat pockets in the back of both front seats, and the rear seats are 60/40 split folding with a flip-down cup holder in the center. If you would like to see this 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander SE plug-in hybrid in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.